Oh, stop. Boy. Good boy. There we go. Good boy. It's like, I trusted you.
Yeah.
Bastard. Oh, there we go. So also what happens when that first cervical rotates to the left like that,